Hello everyone, this is Ajay and today I'm going to discuss a small topic which is taken from Biology Chapter 5 NCRT. The chapter name is Morphology of Flowering Plants and the topic which I'm going to discuss today is phyllotaxy. So here we go. Phyllotaxy. Before going in detail, I want to explain what is phyllotaxy. So here we go. Phyllotaxy. It is the pattern of arrangement of leaves on the stem or branch. So, by the term phyllotaxy, we mean that it is the pattern of arrangement of leaves on the stem or branch. Okay. So, why are the leaves arranged in this manner? The leaves are arranged in this manner so that they get maximum amount of sunlight to carry out photosynthesis. As we know that photosynthesis is carried out by plant. It is generally of three types, that is alternate, opposite and word. So here we go. Number one, alternate. Alternate. In alternate types of phyllotaxy, a single leaf arises at each node and lies in alternate manner. Means in alternate types of phyllotaxy, a single leaf arises at each node and lies in alternate manner. Alternate means one after the other. Like usually we go to tuition, like we say that we have tuition on alternate days. Alternate days means one day we will have tuition and one day we will have gap. Means one gap and then another. So in alternate types of phyllotaxy, the leaves are arranged in this manner only. Means they will be arranged one place, again big gap and again the next place. So here we go. Definition of alternate types of phyllotaxy. A single leaf arises at each node and lies in alternate manner. We can see this example in the leaf of China rose, sunflower, etc. As we go, we kindly try to observe while seeing the plants in what kind of manner the leaves are arranged. So alternate types of phyllotaxy will be commonly seen in China rose plant and sunflower. So I'm writing the example so that you get more detailed explanation of it. Example, China rose. China rose and sunflower. As I said you that it is classified into three types. So first type is finished and we will go to move on to second. That is opposite. Opposite. In opposite types of phyllotaxy, a pair of leaves arises at each node and lies in opposite manner, means one after the other. One after the means one opposite to each other. So here's the definition. In opposite type of phyllotaxy, a pair of leaf arise each node and lies in opposite manner. Lies in opposite manner. In opposite types of phylotaxy, as I have written here, you kindly look at this. In opposite types of phylotaxy, a pair of leaves arise at each node and lies in opposite manner. The example which we'll see this in the plant of guava. Example I'm writing here, GUAV, guava leaf, guava leaf, guava leaf. So the second part is finished, and last of phylotaxy is word. Word. WHORLD. Word. If a, if more than one leaves arise at each node and form a word, then it is called word phylotaxy. Word phylotaxy will commonly say that it will form in a triangular shape. Kindly we try to go and observe. So if we observe that it's not be compulsory that it will be like in shape of triangle, but quite similar to that. So if more than one leaves arise at each node and form a wall, then it is called wall phylotaxy. So here is the definition I'm writing here so that you are able to note it and note it down in the copy and try to prefer it for your preference. Word. If more than one leaf arise from a node and form a word. So sorry for it. And in word, then it is called word phylotaxy. I'm making the video so it might not be clearly visible, but you kindly try to note what I'm saying. Because if you get the concept, you'll be able to make it in your own way and write and get the full marks when it comes in exam. So see here, word phylotaxy. Kindly, if you want to note it, kindly note it. Word. If in word types of phylotaxy, if more than one leaf arise, form a knot and form the word, then it is called word phylotaxy. Word means it will be like a triangular shape. Not exactly the triangle, but like quite similar to that. It will be seen in the plant. It will be seen in the Asolontina, Asoltina, Asolontina leaf. Leaf. See, we know that leaves arise from a knot. So I'm keeping a brief into the detail what we have learned today, and we'll wind up after this. The topic which I have explained today is phyllotaxy. Phyllotaxy is the pattern of arrangement of leaf on the stem or branch. As you know, the leaves are attached on the leaf or branch, right? So the attachment of leaf on the stem or branch is called phyllotaxy. It is of three types. There is alternate, opposite, and word. Alternate, a single leaf arises at each node. As I told you that leaves are arising from node. A single leaf arises at each node and lies in alternate manner. As I told you the example of alternate, it will be seen in China rose and sunflower leaf. Next we have is opposite. In opposite type of phyllotaxy, a pair of leaves arise at each node and lies in opposite manner. A pair of leaves arises at each node means a pair of leaves means two leaves arise as a knot, and they are attached and they are arranged in an opposite to each other, as you'll see in the guava leaf. And the third is word. If more than two leaves arise at each knot and form a wall, then it's called word phyllotaxy. Word phyllotaxy, as I said, that it will just be quite similar to the triangle, might not be exactly to that, but it will be quite similar to that. So you kindly try to look at and try to identify. This will be seen in Aslanthina leaf. Aslanthina leaf. So what I'm going to say you about this, what I've learned is kindly try to look at the leaf and try to identify it so that it will be easy for us to understand, because science is all about concept. If you know the concept, you write in your own way and it will be better for your understanding as well. It doesn't mean that what I have written here you need to write the same, but what I'm going to say is that kindly get the concept and try to note it down. With this, I will run up my topic. I hope you will be able to understand